about to show you how to launch a background check directly within Leather via Zinc. Head over to your Candidates tab, select your chosen candidate, and move them from the on-site interview stage to the reference check stage on the drop-down menu. Once the candidate has been moved to this stage, this will trigger a default package. So speak to your account manager about making unique tags for custom-made packages. Zinc will then pull the candidate's first name, last name, email address, and phone number and send them a link to get started with their checks. Once the checks have come back and they've been completed, there will be a link to the final report here found in Leather.